In this video I will show top 5 business tips for starting a business that will succeed. Starting a business for the first time and worried about failure? Give your new enterprise the best chance of success with these top business tips, the best advice I've collated from other entrepreneurs and developed from my own experience of more than 20 years of having been there and done that as a small business person. 1. Be passionate. You don't have to love whatever your business is about, and probably shouldn't, but you do have to be fired up about it. You're going to devote a lot of time and energy to starting a business and building it into a successful enterprise, so it's really important that you truly deeply enjoy what you do, whether it be running fishing charters, creating pottery, or providing financial advice. 2. Start while you are still employed. How long can most people live without money? Not long. And it may be a long time before your new business actually makes any profits. Being employed while you're starting a business means money in your pocket while you're going through the startup process. 3. Don't do it alone. You need a support system while you're starting a business, and afterward. A family member or friend that you can bounce ideas off and who will listen sympathetically to the latest business startup crisis is invaluable. Even better, find a mentor or, if you qualify, apply for a business startup program such as the ones provided through Futurepreneur Canada. When you're starting a business, experienced guidance is the best support system of all. 4. Get clients or customers lined up. Don't wait until you've officially started your business to line these up, because your business can't survive without them. Do the networking. Make the contacts. Sell or even give away your products or services. You can't start marketing too soon. 5. Write a business plan. The main reason for doing a business plan first when you're thinking of starting a business is that it can help you avoid sinking your time and money into starting a business that will not succeed. Following the business tips above will make starting your new business both a smoother, less stressful process and go a long way towards ensuring the business you start lasts and thrives. If you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel now. Thank you.